Finally packed. Saturday afternoon, off to Moogerah. Christmas. We made it. Moogerah. Unpacking now. Check it out. In the morning, after a severe thunderstorm night, and it looks like we're in for some more. The boat looks like it's flown up to the shore, but it'll be right. This is pretty mental. Ah! That's the waterfall today. Pretty hectic. Dirty. That looks frightening. Let's get this boat well anchored before that hits. Check out the sick as sky, man.
Oh, I'm checking it out.
Checking you out. Bacon and eggs. Christmas morning. Boats in the water. Check out the view. It's Christmas. Yay. What year is it? Oh yeah, we don't recognise Charlie unless he's got his top off. The boat's out there. Moogerah. Oh, exciting. I wonder what it is.
Oh, you're wearing it right now.
Oh, do
Thank you,
ya?
Sienna.
Thank you.
Was this they from Sienna?
No, but she would help you come. This is Christmas 2023 at Moogerah Lake.
Moogerah. Yeah, the Nahara people.
How old are you, Charlie?
22.
How old are you, Josie?
18.
I'm still 50, 51 tomorrow. How old are you?
52.
How old are you, Samuel?
17.
How old are you, Gus?
I think he's 2.
Alright, Christmas is over.
Alright.
Oh, thank goodness for that.
That's how we find it.
Not probably not.
It's like 12 meters. I'm gay as hell.
And he's up. I didn't hurt as much as last time. Do you guys want to do that again?
Do it again, yeah! Boxing Day 2023. My birthday, I'm 51. Hooray for me.
Perfect.
Boxing Day evening meal.
How old are you?
Birthday, Steve! 51 years old.
51.
51. 51.
Well, a bunch of people in front of you, eh?
The cloud serpent. It's a hot day. Waterfall gorge. Walking through the gorge. Gorgeous. It's been pretty steep. It's pretty steep down there too by the looks of it. Check out the waterfall. We made it to the summit of the plateau. Check out the view. Beautiful. Lake's busy. Fresh water.
Well, that's a decent night, man.
secret little pool.